Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today, I am going to teach you effect of speed and direction on velocity. In the previous video, we studied about the difference between the speed and the velocity. Now we see the next point is effect of speed and direction on velocity. Students, you look in your textbook. Sachin is traveling on a motorbike. Explain what will happen in the following events during Sachin's ride. Look in figure 1.3. What will be the effect on the velocity of the motorcycle if its speed increases or decreases but its direction remains unchanged? This first question is asked. Then the second question is, in case of a turning on the road, will the velocity and speed be same? If Sachin changes the direction of the motorcycle, keeping its speed constant, what will be the effect on the velocity? Third, if on a turning, Sachin changes the direction as well as the speed of motorcycle, what will be the effect on its velocity? In all these conditions, the velocity of that motorcycle will change because velocity is depend on speed as well as direction. Do you understand, students? What is the most important point? Velocity is depend on speed as well as direction. If direction changed, then velocity will be changed, and if speed changed, then also velocity will be changed. Now always remember box, you look there. The first scientist to measure speed as the distance time was Galileo. The speed of sound in dry air is 343.2 meter per second, while the speed of light is about 3 into 10 eighths meter per second. The speed of revolution of the earth around the sun is about 29,770 meter per second. This is information, you have to learn this also. Now we go to next page. Next point is uniform and non-uniform linear motion. Students, you look in your textbook. Amar, Akbar and Anthony are traveling in different cars with different velocities. The distances covered by them during different time intervals are given in the following table. Students, look in this chart. Now from textbook, we read the question. What is the time interval between the noting of distances made by Amar, Akbar and Anthony? These time intervals are of 30 minutes. Now second question. Who has covered equal distances in equal time intervals? Look here. Distance covered by Amar in kilometer. 0, then 20, then 40, then 60, then 80, then 100, then 120. In each half hour, equal distance is covered. On every half hour, there is difference of 20 kilometer. Look here, In 20 and 40, here is difference of 20 kilometer. 40 and 60, here is also difference of 20 kilometer. 60 and 80, here is also difference of 20 kilometer. On each half hour, equal distance is covered. Now in case of Akbar, here first 0, then 18, 36, 42, 70, 95, 120. Look here, in 18 and 36, in between these, there is difference of 18 kilometer. Here is also difference of 18 kilometer. Then 42 to 70. Here is not difference of 18 kilometer. For measuring these kilometers, you can calculate this simply our table of 18. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. 18 threes are 42. 4s are 56. 18 fours are 56. But here is 70. So equal distance is not covered in equal time period. Now we see in case of Anthony. Look here, 0, 14, 28, 42, 56, 70 and 84. Here again you can simply calculate equal distance by using table. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84. Means on each half hour equal distance is covered. Equal distance is 14 kilometer. So in fixed time interval, equal distance is covered here. In case of Amar and in case of Anthony, they covered equal distance on equal time period. But in case of Akbar, Akbar has not covered equal distance in equal time period. Now we see question from the textbook. Who has covered equal distances in equal time intervals? Who has covered Amar and Anthony? Answer of this question is Amar and Anthony. Now third question. Are all the distances covered by Akbar in the fixed time intervals? Answer is no. Third question. Considering the distances covered by Amar, Akbar and Anthony in fixed time intervals, what can you say about their speeds? Amar and Anthony are traveling with uniform speed 40 km per hour and 20 km per hour respectively, while Akbar is traveling with non-uniform speed. Here I wrote the answers of these questions. First question answer is 30 minutes. Second question answer is Amar and Anthony have covered equal distances in equal time intervals. Third, no Akbar has covered unequal distances in equal time intervals. Fourth, Amar and Anthony are traveling with uniform speed 40 km per hour and 28 km per hour respectively, while Akbar is traveling with non-uniform speed. We see the definition of uniform motion and non-uniform linear motion or motion. Uniform motion means what? The motion in which the object covers equal distances in equal intervals of time is called uniform motion. Example, the motion of the earth around the sun. This is the best example of uniform motion. Second is non-uniform motion. The motion in which an object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time is called non-uniform motion. Example is the motion of the vehicle being driven through heavy traffic. Do you understand, student? What is uniform motion and what is non-uniform motion? Students, in this video, we discuss about velocity is depend on speed as well as on direction. So, for velocity, speed and directions are most important factors. And we discuss uniform and non-uniform linear motion or motion. In equal time period, equal distance is covered, means it is uniform motion. And if in equal time periods unequal distance is covered, then it is non-uniform motion. Do you understand, students? Whatever question answers we discuss in this video, you learn it. If you not watched the previous videos related of this chapter, you watch it. If you like this video, you like it, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye. Take care.